How to find a lost iPad. So I'll show you two different ways on how to track and recover a lost iPad. Now, the first method is by using another one of your Apple devices. So this could be a MacBook, an iPhone, or another iPad. Now, once you're on your Apple device, just come over to the home screen. You can then swipe down to bring up the search box and go and search for Find My, and then click on the Find My app. You can then click on Devices at the bottom of the page. And as long as you have Find My turned on the lost iPad, you should be able to see the iPad from this list of devices. Now, if you do see your iPad from this list, go and click on it, and you should be able to see the iPad's location in the maps. You can also scroll down and you'll have the option to play a sound. So if you're already in the radius of where your iPad is, you can click on the play sound button and it will start playing a sound from your iPad to help you track the device. You also have the option to turn on the lock mode, and essentially when this is turned on, it will lock your iPad from being used. So if you suspect that someone else has your iPad, this can be really useful as it will essentially lock them out of the iPad. Now, there is another way to track and recover your iPad as well. So what you need to do is open up an internet browser like this. I'm just going to be on my laptop. At the top of the page, type in iCloud.com, scroll down and click on Sign In, and then sign in to your Apple account. Once you're signed in, scroll down the page and click on Find My. And you'll also be able to track all of your lost devices from here as well. So just go and locate your iPad and click on it. And this will also reveal the location of your lost iPad.